नमस्कार. सह्याद्री पॉलिटेक्निक सावर्डेमधील मेकॅनिकल डिपार्टमेंटच्या HOD MEC 0108 यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे मी स्वागत करतो. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत इंट्रोडक्शन टू मेट्रोलॉजी या टॉपिकवरचा नेक्स्ट पॉईंट. आजपर्यंत आपण मेट्रोलॉजी पाहिलेलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ज ऑफ मेट्रोलॉजी, त्याचे टाईप्स, आणि आपण आता पाहणार आहोत लर्निंग आउटकम्स. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आहे कोर्स आउटकम्स, दॅट इज COs. सिलेक्ट द रिलेव्हंट इन्स्ट्रुमेंट फॉर मेजरमेंट. आणि युनिट आउटकम्स, दॅट इज UOs. फर्स्ट 1A, explain the testing parameters used for the given instrument, and 1B, select the relevant measuring instrument for the given object with justification. These are the learning outcomes. Now we will start the main point, accuracy. Accuracy is defined as the closeness of measured value of component produced with its the true value. Accuracy compares the measured value of a manufactured component with its true value. True value means the specified value of a component before start of production. For example, a job having dimension 25 mm and instrument showing reading 24.98 mm. So this is the accuracy. Now the next point is factors affecting the accuracy. What are the factors? First one is calibration standards. Calibration standards are accuracy may be affected by atmospheric conditions such as expansion of metal used in measuring instruments due to rise in temperature. Next is inspection room and workplace. Here accuracy may be affected by the condition of workplace or inspection room such as cleanliness, surface condition, proper supporting arrangement, etc. Next factor is measuring instruments. Measuring instruments and hence accuracy may be affected by sources of errors such as friction, zero drip error, deformation in handling, or use of heavy workpieces, etc. Now the next factor is human error. In human error, the person carrying out the measurement may not have the required skill. Improper training or lack of handling skill may affect the measured value and hence accuracy. Now the next factor is environment influence. What is meant by environment influence? Change in atmospheric conditions such as temperature, vibration, pressure, etc. may affect the accuracy. These are the factors affecting accuracy. Now the next point is precision. What is meant by precision? Precision has no meaning for only one measurement, but exists only when number of measurements are carried out for the same quantity under identical conditions. Precision is defined as repeatability of measuring instrument, that is how close the measured values are to each other. Imprecision cannot be determined by single reading. So here we take 3 to 4 readings of any component or any job to get a mean value. Now we will see the difference between accuracy and precision through diagram. The center circle represents true value. The mark star indicates results achieved by the striker after shooting bullets on the target. After performing the process of striking the target for 4 times, result obtained as shown in 4 cases. The first case is low accuracy, low precision. Second case, low accuracy, high precision. Third case, high accuracy, low precision. And the last is high accuracy and high precision. This can be correlated with comparison of accuracy and precision. Now we will see the difference between accuracy and precision. First, meaning. Accuracy refers to the level of agreement between the actual measurement and the absolute measurement. Means the closeness of measured value of component produced with its true value. And in precision, precision implies the level of variation that lies in the value of several measurements of the same factor, means the repeatability of a measuring process. This is the first point. Second, represents. In accuracy, how closely result agree with the standard value, and in precision, how closely the results agree with one another. Degree. In accuracy, degree of conformity, and in precision, degree of reproducibility. Factors. In accuracy, single factor. In precision, multiple factors. Next, measure of. In accuracy, statistical bias. In precision, statistical variability. And the last point is concerned with inaccuracy, systematic error, and in precision, random error. This is the comparison between accuracy and precision. The next point is sensitivity. Now we will see the definitions. Sensitivity is defined as the ability of a measuring device to detect small variations in a quantity being measured. Higher the ability of such detection of an instrument, more sensitive it is. Therefore, too much sensitivity leads to affect the working of instrument. It will adversely affect the accuracy and precision of measurements. This is the definition of sensitivity. The next definition is repeatability. Repeatability is defined as The closeness of reading obtained during multiple number of measurements of same quantity when individual measurements are carried out by same observer using same measuring instrument under same environmental conditions within short interval of time. Or repeatability is the variation in measurements taken by a single person or instrument on the same atom under the same conditions and in a short period of time. This is the definition of repeatability. Now, next is reproducibility. Reproducibility is defined as the closeness of readings obtained during multiple number of measurements of same quantity when individual measurements are carried out by different observers using different methods to of measurements using different measuring instruments under different environmental conditions. Or it is the quantitative measurement of the closeness of the agreement between the result of measurement of the same measurement carried out by changing the method of measurement, observer, measuring instrument, location, condition of use, time, etc. This is the definition of reproducibility. Now, the next definition is calibration. Calibration is defined as the process of marking the lines on scale of measuring instrument by applying some standards which are agreed and followed all over the world. Calibration is said to be pre-measurement process carried out at the time of manufacturing the measuring instrument. Now we will see the needs of calibration. First one is to take into account the error producing properties of each component. This is the first need. Second, to take into account environmental errors. Next need is to understand or detect errors generated due to frequent use of equipment, and the last is to ensure quality of inspection during manufacturing process. These are the definitions. This is the example of calibration. Now we will see the assessment. There are total 4 questions. You should write all these questions. The first question is, explain any 4 factors affecting the accuracy of measurement. Second, difference between accuracy and precision. Third, define sensitivity, repeatability and reproducibility. And the last question is, define calibration. What are the needs of calibration? These are total 4 questions. In the next video we will see next points. Thank you.